welcome to Quiz Graphics Tutorials, and today we're going to compare the versions of Pixellab that we have. I'm going to use version from Play Store on one of the devices, and I'm going to use the Pixellab Pro on the other device, and then we are going to see. So let's open. All right, here we are. All right, you can see that one is delaying more than the other. So if you look at the Pixellab Pro and the Pixellab to my right, all right, that's the one from Play Store. You're going to see that the interfaces are pretty much the same, but there are some differences, right? So we are going to compare one after another. So first of all, if you look at the templates below here from the Pixellab normal version, you can see that they are skinny. All right, they are skinny, and just some kind of there are some other things we'll look at. You can see, all right, they are not fine. But when you come here, Pixellab Pro, you can see a lot of and these things are editable. When you check, let's go to, you can see the shoe here. All right, if you unlock it, you'll be able to move the shoes up and down. You can see here, and then you have more beautiful templates. So Pixellab Pro has one. All right, 1 0. All right, so we are going to move to the next item. You can see very much more beautiful templates here. So the next one, we are going to check stickers. All right, so when you come to hit the plus sign, we are going to come here and check stickers as well. All right, you can see that the stickers here, if I click it, is going to, you can see it has broken. All right, meanwhile, you can see the stickers here are all free. All right, so I have to open this again. The stickers here are all free. All right, stickers here are all free. Wow, this is nice. Wow, can you see? This is nice. Wow, you can see the stickers here actually has it. Okay, so this is 2 0. All right, I think you might need to use Pixellab Pro. Okay, so the next thing we are going to check, we're going to check for fonts. All right, so let's hit this, then go to text editing tool, and then we are going to check for fonts. You can see fonts here. All right, Pixellab Pro has more fonts. All right, can you see this one has finished? Meanwhile, look at, wow, powerful fonts here for you. All right, meanwhile, this one has finished, just a few of them. Okay, so I think you would need to install this Pixellab. All right, so if you don't have Pixellab Pro, I've been giving Pixellab Pro for free for a couple of years for free. All right, so you have to, if you want to get it, go to the description of the video and I'm going to give it to you for free. Just send your request. So this is 3 0, and then I'm going to also put on my my network connection. All right, and then here I'm also going to connect it to, I'm going to connect this to network as well. All right, so let's see. I'm going to connect this to network, and then you're going to see that this has ads. All right, this other one here has ads. So if, for example, I come and I save, let me open a particular project. Let me open, let's say I open this project. Let me come home. And then let's say I open this other, let me say I open this other project here. Let's say I open this other project here. All right, so if I want to save, now save as image, while the network is on, I can choose to save as ultra or any dimension. I'll save to gallery. All right, let me do the same here. But for Pixellab, normal Pixellab, if I click save as image, and I save, you're going to see that, okay, let's save it directly to gallery. It's rendering image, and then you're going to see, in most cases, you will see ads. A lot of ads will pop up, you know, maybe ads that you don't need. Quite annoying sometimes. And it lags, it delays. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see what's happening? So it lags. Meanwhile, this one has saved, and you know, you don't need to worry about ads or whatever. All right, but this is still doing its thing. All right, most of the times it shows ads. Okay, all right, so the next thing we are going to check is the emboss. Now, for example, if I type something, all right, let me copy this and type okay, let me just go home. Let me go home. I'm going to change this font to something related to this other one here. Let me change it to this, and then let me change this font also to something like that. Then we are going to compare. All right, so all right, I'm changing to the same font. Okay, now I'm going to go to 3D here on normal Pixellab. I'm going to go to 3D here. Let me put off my data, put off my data, put off the hotspot. All right, so now if I come to 3D text and I enable it, all right, let me check. You can see now, you can see how it's broken. All right, having this issue. Okay, so if I change the color to, let me change the color to maybe black. Can you see how broken it is? Now let's do the same here. Okay, let me change this to new text. Let me change this to new text, and then I'm going to go to 3D text, 3D text. I'm going to enable it. Can you see the difference? Let me take the depth. Can you see the difference? If I change the color to black, okay, let me change the background to maybe something that can contrast well. Can you see the difference? Wow, can you see? This is, let me change the background to black as well, so that, I mean, another color, so that you will, can you see the difference? So Pixellab Pro has it. This is 5.0. This is 5.0. Wow, awesome, awesome, awesome. So now I'm going to uninstall. I'm going to uninstall this Pixellab here and install Pixellab Pro right now, because you can't be beating 5.0 and expect me to still use you. Okay, let's do that. Right, I'm going to go over to home. I'm going to go over to home, and then I'll locate Pixellab. I'll locate Pixellab right here, and then I'll uninstall it. All right, I'll uninstall Pixellab from this other phone. All right, so mind you, as you're uninstalling it, do not delete the folder. All right, do not delete the folder, so that your files will be retained. Do not delete the folder, so that your files will be retained. It's very, very, very important. Okay, so if I come to my files, you're still going to find Pixellab. You're going to find Pixellab. Can you see it here? You're going to find Pixellab right here. So don't delete the folder. So I'm now going to go to my files. I think I have it right here. I sent it from this other phone to this other phone. So let's check it. So you can see the APK file here. So I'm going to click it, and I'm going to say, I'm going to try to install it here. Let me install and see what happens. All right, app installed. Wow. Now if you are having issue, this is awesome. Let me open it. App installed. So I'm going to open it right. Wow, we have our new Pixellab right here, just like this. Can you see? Just like this. So we have our new Pixellab right here. Okay, now if I go to my projects, you're going to see all my projects from the other Pixellab folders are here. Now my recent projects that I did with the new Pixellab are gone. So that's one of the importance of, that's another importance of Pixellab Pro. That's 6.0. If these things right here, they are from the previous Pixellab I installed. All right, so my designs on this current new, on the new Pixellab, I mean the Play Store Pixellab I was using, is gone and gone forever. All right, except you try to save the PLP files, and it's really becoming quite difficult with the normal Pixellab. So guys, install this Pixellab and enjoy the benefits I've highlighted here. They are more than that. All right, and enjoy the benefits of using Pixellab Pro. And if you want to learn how to install fonts, right, install fonts, I'm going to install fonts right here on this Pixellab, because I don't think I have, if you check this other Pixellab right here, I have some fonts installed already. I have some fonts. If I come to my fonts, you can see some fonts right here already. Okay, but if you come to fonts here, I'm not sure you're going to see any font. There's no font right here. So I'm going to click this folder icon, and then I'm going to navigate to fonts. I think I really don't know whether I have them here in, okay, let me check downloads. Okay, and then I'm going to check my fonts. I'm going to add directory. All right, so I've installed new fonts right here. Wow. Okay, you can see some of the fonts here. Really, really beautiful and cool fonts right here for myself. Okay, can you see? All right, so if you don't know how to install fonts, you can watch, there's a video I've made on how to install fonts, so guide you step by step. All right, just look at how I just did this. But if you're unable to catch it, watch this video popping up somewhere around your screen to really know how you can do that. Okay, now that we have done that, now if your Pixellab Pro, all right, if your Pixellab is redirecting you to Play Store, okay, if your Pixellab Pro is redirecting you to Play Store, maybe, all right, so let me put on my data. All right, everything you need to know about how to go about Pixellab Pro is going to be settled in this particular video. All right, so guys, don't be afraid if you're going to lose your files. If you lose them, it's better you lose some of your files. All right, that's if you want to use Pixellab Pro. Okay, you can. Previously, files are not lost, but currently, I think files are lost as it stands. So I'm going to put on my network. I'm going to put on my network, and then sometimes if you open your Pixellab Pro, it redirects you to Play Store sometimes. Okay, I can work my data connected. Now, if yours is redirecting to Play Store, first thing you just need to do is turn off your network, turn off your network connection. All right. So for that, that's a temporal solution. All right, turn off your network connection, and then the permanent solution is actually in your settings. Okay, the permanent solution is in your settings. So go to Play Store. When you go to Play Store, you are going to go to your account. Okay, so come to the right top corner, click your account. When you click your Play Store account, you can go to settings or go to Play Protect. Okay, and then for the meantime, you are going to see that my Play Protect is turned off. All right, my Play Protect is turned off. For security, turn on Play Store to check apps from outside Play Store. Play Store app will automatically scan. All right, so if you turn this on, okay, and you open Pixellab Pro, it will redirect you to Play Store, right, because it is outside Play Store. All right, if it's quite scanning, it is scanning. All right, so that's part of the setting. So you turn it off. Okay, if you turn it on, it's going to redirect you to Play Store. Okay, in most of the cases, it's going to redirect you to Play Store. So you will have to turn that off. Now, if you click the settings, you can see scan apps with improve, send unknown. Can you see the setting? Improve. So if you turn it on, it's going to send unknown apps to Google Play for better detection. All right. So as this is turned on, if my network is turned on and I open Pixellab Pro, it's going to redirect me to Play Store in most of the cases. All right. Okay. And I've been using this application for a good number of years now, and it's really okay. All right, thank you for watching. So I'm going to turn off this. Okay, now you can turn off these settings. You can turn off these settings so that it doesn't redirect. So if you click Play Protect, click the settings, you can turn off the settings, and then that's going to be all for that. Now, if your Pixellab Pro is not installing, if it's not installing, uninstall the one you installed from Play Store, and then go to settings. All right, you go to settings. If it's not installing, you go to settings, and then I have a video on that already. So when you go to settings, you can just search for unknown apps, and then allow installation. If it's not installing, just watch this video. Just watch this video that's hovering around the screen. I have a video on how to solve that installation problem. All right, a very short video that's going to help you. Okay, so if your Pixellab Pro is not installing, check out the video on how to fix that. All right, on how to fix that. Okay, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to my channel, and then turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any important video that will be coming later on. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, and then if you need the Pixellab Pro, do not forget to reach out, and I'm going to give it to you so that you can enjoy the packages right here together with me. Bye for now.